A janitor making minimum wage found a wallet in the hospital break room. Inside was $5,000 in cash. He had 3 kids at home, a sick wife, bills piling up on the kitchen table. The security cameras were broken. No one was watching. He could have taken it. Who would have known? Instead, he walked straight to hospital security and turned it in. The wallet belonged to a wealthy businessman who was being treated for chest pains. When the businessman heard what happened, he was stunned. Here was a man who had every reason to keep that money but chose integrity instead. He offered the janitor a job at his company, with benefits, with opportunity. 5 years later, that janitor had earned his high school diploma, then an associate degree through company tuition assistance. He worked his way up to department supervisor. Today, he runs a scholarship fund for hospital workers pursuing education. He says that wallet taught him something powerful. Character opens more doors than cash ever could. One honest decision changed the trajectory of his entire family's life.